Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and I done a little shopping. This is like not the biggest haul I've ever done. Like this is just like a few pieces I just picked up just for like the upcoming, few weeks, months, so I went to Zara. Oh, my dress. I went to Zara and I done a little shopping just because when's the last haul I done? Was that like in February, I think it was February. Yeah, I think the last shop I done was February, and like I just needed some new pieces just because I was sick of wearing the same things all the time. So here we are. I got my Zara and I also got like two things in ASOS. Damn it! I left the other top in my wardrobe. I'll be right back. Okay, I've recovered my top from downstairs. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with. I'm gonna do the ASOS stuff first because like it's not as exciting. Is it? I don't know. First thing I got is trackies. Now, if you know me, you know I'm not like a tracksuit wearer. Like I don't wear tracksuits. I'm normally like either in jeans, and during this current weather, I'm in shorts all the time. So I got these because like I'm starting to try to work out again because I want to like get like healthier and like fitter, and I know it's a bit late to go chasing that summer body, but I'm gonna try to catch up with it. Oh my gosh. They're really comfy. Like these are like seriously comfy. I think these are the comfiest trackies I think I've ever owned in my life. Like I really like these. Yeah, like these are like comfy, and like they just have such a nice fit. Like they hug everywhere where they're supposed to be hugged. Like there's no like looser bits, or like they're just like nice, Now I will say they are like tight in this area, like, so trying to pull them up is like kind of hard. When you're running, like they kind of like sometimes they fall a bit, and like you're trying to like whilst you're running, so like it's a bit like hard that way. But like honestly, I'll take that any day, other than like just bagginess. They're from Puma. Like my brother reckons that Puma is like not a good brand, and like it's like not a cool brand. But like listen, Rihanna's name is associated with Puma, so it's obviously a good brand. Next, from ASOS, I got this black t-shirt. It just has like the Mona Lisa on it. Yeah, it's like a brand called Reclaimed Vintage. Okay, so this is the first top. This is the ASOS one. I just love how it fits. Like it's just like oversized. It's like comfy. Like there's like no fuss. Like look how comfy this looks. This is so comfy. Like this is just such a casual. And then also you can like roll up the sleeves, so like it just makes it a bit. And also just ignore my socks. I know they're like really high up. Like you can roll them up more, but like I'm just gonna leave them like that for now. They look good with shorts, like with jeans, like with runners. Like I'm gonna be doing a fashion, whatever it's called, the lookbook thing in the next couple of weeks. So I'll be styling some of these new items, because like yeah, I just love them. And this is only like €12, I'm pretty sure. Like it really wasn't, like it was so affordable, like seriously affordable. Not like the rest of the stuff I got. Okay, Zara. What I got in Zara. I love Zara. Like I only really started getting into Zara this year. Like last year, like I wasn't drawn to it enough. It was normally like Topman or somewhere that I'd always shop. But Zara has been pulling through, and Topman has been really slacking with their products. Like I don't think I've been on Topman in at least a month and a half, and that's a long time for me because I love Topman. So I got this cardigan. Like I'm not 100% sure about it. Like I think it's nice. Like I think it's really cute. Like imagine like just going to a coffee shop being like, hi, can I just get I've forgotten what to order now because like literally I haven't been into one in like months. But like an Americano with almond milk, please. Thank you very much. That's all I want. Or like a iced latte with a shot of vanilla. That's a vibe. I think it would look cool with this top. Maybe not like with all black vibe, but like, you know, I do think it would look cool with this. I don't know. I think I should have got like a size smaller because this one it's a bit like long. Like, does it look long for you or is it just me? These socks are annoying me. 1 second. I mean, I do like it. Like, I do actually really like it. Like, not, yeah, okay, I do like it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think it looks like, because like there's more like, you know, different levels going on. It's not just all like, you know, slumped, you know. Interesting. But anyway, let's try the next one and see where we go. Okay, so, so my vision for this item here was, I was like, oh, this would be like, you know, cool. Oh, you know, an oversized like blazer, kind of casual, like in the summertime, because it had said it was a comfortable blazer, and he had advertised with the model wearing like this jumper and like jeans and shoes, and like it looked like really cool and like hip and like, you know, like very just like, you know, like you know the vibe I was going for. Oh, I've already tried this on and I know it looks like terrible. Or does it? Or does it? Or does it look terrible? Like with this? No. No. I look like, what do I look like a pimp or something. I don't know. I just know is not my style. Like maybe like with the collar out like that. Is that looks, no, this looks stupid. It looks stupid. Like, you can tell me, guys. You won't hurt my feelings, I swear. Like, I know it looks stupid. But like, just reassure me in the comments that I'm correct in saying that it looks stupid, because like, I don't know. Oh. So this will be getting returned because this was €70, and I am not like keeping like this, and it's worth €70. Like, no way. Like, that's too much to spend on like something that you're never gonna wear. So this is probably the only item I'll return because I like everything else. But like, yeah, this just. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay, this was like an interesting one because I thought like this just looked kind of cool. And like it is like see-through. Like there's like, it's like a wide knit, so you can like see through it. I don't know if you can see me there. But like I thought this would be just like, you know, with a white t-shirt underneath or something. But like it's somewhere like, you know, it's airy. You know, it's like relaxed. I haven't actually tried this on yet, so it'll be interesting to see what it fits like. I don't know. I mean, maybe like with jeans it would look cool. Like, I think, okay, yeah, okay, right, okay. I can see the vibe. I can see it with jeans, but like with shorts, it's like, it's no for me. But like with jeans, I mean, I feel like it would look cool. Like, I don't know, like, I'm not a big fan of like having like this exposed. Like, I don't like showing off like my collarbone. I don't know, I just find like, I don't know, I don't really like it. It feels like it makes me look like I'm sick or something. But I don't know, I mean, it's kind of grown on me actually, to be honest. Like, I mean, the more I'm wearing it, the more I'm like, yeah, you know, I could see it working like on maybe a night out. Would it be like, would you wear this out, or would you like not? I don't even know. Like, oh, I can feel like the breeze going like, oh! Oopsies. Oh my god, can you imagine the tan lines you get like in this? Like all these like little like openings. Like imagine like them tan lines. That, oh my god. I'm standing on everything. That wouldn't even be like funny, the tan lines you get in this. I don't know, like what do you guys think of this? Like, do you like it? Do you not? Would you wear it? Should I wear it? That's the question. You know, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it because I think it will grow on me. Ooh, okay, and the final piece is this green, well, it's I think they called it like teal. Yeah, I don't even know, but like I think it's like a tealy kind of a color. And this is my favorite thing I think I got because it's so light and airy. I haven't tried this one on either, so like, I mean, I'm saying all this now, but like, who even knows? Like, but when I try it on, I might actually hate it. So, so we're just gonna roll with it. But like, I just like how loose it is, and I got this because it's my friend's birthday in like 2 weeks now, I think. So I got it to wear to that, just because it's like a nice like summer kind of color, and like, you know, like it's a nice like light material, so I won't like roast, but also like it's still a bit like dressy, but like not like, you know, overly dressy, like, so it's nice. It's different to what I have, and that's one of the reasons why I liked it. Okay, like, I mean, now that I put this on, I thought like it was gonna be, I'm gonna have to like fold it like and tuck it, because honestly, like, it's not like, it doesn't fit past my hips. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling a bit self-conscious about it. Yeah, it won't like fit past like this area, so like we're just gonna have to like leave it here. I mean, I love this color. I do really like this color. I mean, it is a bit restricting like here. Like, it fits past, obviously I'm just being a bit dramatic, but like it just like makes me look like a square. This is like making me very self-conscious now, this shirt, not going to lie. Yeah, I definitely prefer like, you know, like tucked up, like with blue jeans, or maybe black jeans. No, I think blue jeans would look best. Oh my god. I don't know, guys, what do you think of this? I'm like a bit iffy, to be honest. I'm not like 100%. Well, I'm gonna have to keep it now. I took the tag off, so I'm gonna have to keep it. I can't wait to go back into like to like go to a store and buy stuff, because I'm actually getting sick of buying things online now, because you just never really know until it comes, and then you're like all excited about it, and then it comes and it doesn't fit, or it doesn't fit how you expect it to fit. Okay, guys, and that is everything that I got on my clothing haul. I was gonna get some more things. I want to get like them like all black like bands. I want to get them. I want to get some new sunglasses. I want to get some more t-shirts. I want to get some more like, that's actually it. That's all I really want to get at the minute. So, you know, expect another clothing haul soon. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know down in the comments. Oh, before I go, actually, because I don't know when this is going to be put up, but at the minute, like, there's all the protests and everything like going on in America. So I've already like, you know, signed, you know, all them petitions and stuff like that for justice for George Floyd. So like, if you have a spare minute, like, please go do that if I can find the link. I just use I follow this girl on Instagram, Cassie. She put up I'll have like her Instagram linked here, but like she put up a swipe up thing, you know, sign a petition. I just swiped up and like I signed it. So like, I don't know the exact link, but I will find it and I'll put it in the description of this video. Just go and sign, like, it only takes a minute. But I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.